electronics. Our advantages. Industry certifications. ISO 9000, IATF 16949, ISO 13485. Delivery times. Helping you stay ahead. Cutting-edge capabilities. Fine pitch connectors. Precision molded components. Expect dependable performance. Get in touch now. Reliable wiring solutions you can trust. Precision speed quality. Backed by 2 decades of experience. We provide custom cable solutions for automotive applications. Medical devices. Aerospace systems. Consumer electronics. And more. Our advantages. Industry certifications. ISO